The goal of this project was to create an element of our choice and program it using Bitbloq. We chose to make an ambulance, and here are our first sketches. This was the chosen design. As you can see, it is a very simple white ambulance with a red cross. It has 4 main requisites: movement, light, sound, and an opening back door. First step. The first thing we had to do were the programs. At first, we completed some easy programs to test around the app and get comfortable with it. We used some pre-existing programs and changed them to our liking. The first thing we programmed were intermittent lights and ambulance sounds that would work with the press of a button. Then the movement of the back door, which had to turn 90 degrees when the sensor detected something. Then the movement of the ambulance, which would start and stop when the sensor detected something. The second step was putting everything together. The ambulance was made of white foam cardboard. We started putting all of the bits and pieces together and sticking them onto the ambulance with sellotape. After sticking everything, we added the back door and a small ceiling. The third and last step was to test everything, starting with the back door. Then the light and sound. And finally, the movement. This is the final product. Thank you for watching!